Hello everyone, if you are a Windows 10 user and just recently you moved to Windows 11 and you still need your taskbar just to look like the Windows 10 taskbar, because the Windows 10 taskbar, the start button is always on your left side, but in Windows 11 it's in the middle, and you just want to move it to your left side just as Windows 10 looks like. Don't worry, I got you on this video, so without further delay, let's get started. To move your taskbar onto your left just as Windows 10, you have it there. Right click on your desktop and then go to personalize. Now under personalize we have here personalization. So drop down, scroll down and move to taskbar. On your taskbar, now you can see we have that here. Just click on taskbar behaviors. Click on that. And as you click on it, there's a drop down here, so scroll down and we can see we have other options here. Taskbar alignment, automatically hide the taskbar, right? Then you can see with the taskbar alignment, you can see that we have it here center, so just drop it down and then select the left, right? So you can see the taskbar has moved to your left side. If I change it back to the center, you can see that it's now back to the center, right? So if I move it, so let's just move it to the center just as we want it. So that is just how easy and simple it is to move your taskbar buttons and icons onto your left side, just like in Windows 10 you have it there. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like, comment and share. See you on our next one. Peace out.